Good morning, everyone. So it is May 17th at 10:30 about a.m. and I am heading off camping for the next 3 days with Andreea, whom you must all know as my roommate, my colleague, and my best friend. So we are heading off during these COVID times. We are going to be super careful, but you know, we're going to enjoy some outside time, some time in nature. For the next few days, we will be camping on the beach. It's a specific place in Quebec called Poisson, Blanc. It's about 2.5 hours away from Montreal. So we are going to just go stop for some groceries here in Montreal, get all of the things on our list that we need to eat and drink, and then we are going to head over to our campsite for the next 2 days, 3 days. We leave on Monday, we come back Wednesday. The most beautiful weather to look forward to. We are super, super lucky. We took a risk leaving in May to go camping here in Quebec. That's a real gamble, but you know what? We needed something different, something fun, and so we took the risk and it looks like it's gonna pay off. So we will see you soon and enjoy our camping trip. Bye bye. Hopefully. This one, great. Well, I mean, you're a bit above the ground.
I'm literally touching the ground.
I'm definitely nervous. Take two. Oh, I could hear. Ah! Okay. It's on a nail on that side. It's on a nail? Yeah. Okay. I mean, it's holding. I'm above the ground. So is your arm. Oh my. It's a very low hammock.
It gives you a different perspective.
Oh my god.
Okay. I don't know that I would call it relaxing, but
cotton candy. Good morning. It is Tuesday morning. We are making breakfast. We are having some eggs, bacon, sausage, vegan, eggs, not. And we're boiling water for Andrea's coffee. We slept well. It was very loud, a lot of bugs around, very humid. Honestly, surprisingly humid. It's usually really cold when we camp, but this time it was humid, so I snored apparently, which is very rare for Jessica. Other than that, we are going to canoe today. It is a beautiful day here, and we're starting off our morning at like 9 o'clock. So we'll take you along during the day. We'll see where it takes us. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Alrighty everyone, so we are ready to go. In a couple seconds we're gonna be heading by car to get our canoe and then canoe on this marvelous lake and go to a couple different campsites and have maybe a little picnic. We packed our picnic in our little bags. There are so many bugs. That is one thing that is so annoying. We have been bitten alive already. Pretty unpleasant. But we will put on our bug spray and hopefully on the water we're gonna be a little bit better protected. We'll see you soon. So we've made it to our own personal little island by canoe. We are actually staying all the way up here. We drove down to the home area, and so we kayaked from there, we canoed from there. Let's just say it went a little rough to begin with. We did a couple little detours, and now we made it all the way to this island, Île de la Plaque. Island number 2. It's a bit cold. Hello everyone, welcome back to our campsite. Andrea is on her favorite duty, fire duty. Yeah, with her fire stick. Wait 1 second, you have to show them.
Show the fire stick.
Fire stick, yeah. Very important. Because you don't get too close, people, to the fire. Dangerous. Safety hazard. Duh.
Always on the clock.
Yes, exactly. I'm not working right now, so I might as well be working on YouTube. What was I gonna tell them? Oh, what we're doing. So we came home, we just got back, we just got changed into something a little bit less edible. Edible for the mosquitoes and all of the bugs that have been attacking us. We got our first glass of wine and we're gonna make supper and a fire. And I think we got a little bit burnt today, but not too bad. We were protected with a lot of sunscreen. So we will show you our evening today. We have a really fun evening. We're gonna have some ramen, some grilled vegetables. What else we have? S'mores. Oh, also chicken tenders. Vegan chicken tenders, of course. Yeah, s'mores. And we're gonna do tarot reading and play my new favorite game called Mikado, which I like to call Sticks.
Stick game.
The stick game.
You want to tell them how you were gonna wake me?
Oh, I was gonna wake. Okay, here's a story time. Let me sit down for a second. So, I was awakened last night at about 4:50 to go to the washroom outside, which is the most fun during camping, and I couldn't sleep after because of all of the noise of the outdoors, and I was a little bit awake, so I almost this close to waking up Andrea to be like, can we play the game? Maybe I'll be able to fall asleep again. I didn't wake her up because that would be rude. She already had a hard time falling asleep. Good morning. It is our last day here. We have packed everything up. And now we are making breakfast. We are going to be making oatmeal, and we have made some vegan bacon with mosquitoes all over it. And we are planning to just bathe today, a little bit in the sun, go in the water, and then head back to Montreal. Alrighty, nice to see you. We will see you soon. It is another scorcher here today. It's gonna be 28 degrees, so it is quite warm. We will see you later. Bye. Alright everyone, so it is about 12:20 on Wednesday, and so we are going to start to head home. We just went for a little soak. Andrea is getting changed outdoors, and this was our campsite over there right behind us, and we are about to leave and head home back to Montreal. We had such an amazing time. We had such amazing weather. It's actually supposed to rain for the next few days. So we are super lucky, and I am very grateful to have spent this time with Andrea. We will see you on the road. Bye bye.